hello now again Butcher Benjamin there for Say It As It Is Pidgin News. I thank una all that don't join this platform today. I thank una all that don't always be part of BBTV. I thank all my old subscribers them and the new ones them. I thank una all that promote BBTV for the rates when I don't take BBTV go. I really thank una. May God bless all una for the wonderful things una don't do. May God bless una for taking control over our situation. May God bless una for leading BBTV forward and more better. And for the best way to watch this video for your first time, now the button that for down, make sure say you subscribe because we get fantastic news there for talk for una. And you will never download BBTV app. I they encourage you say me try for go download BBTV app because we get wonderful things the way they did for the app. Una go watch different types of movies that don't come up. Una go watch we there now for bring peace for the community, for lead the community, for go forward with the community. We thank all una for the wonderful things we wanna do and for we. May God continue for the bless una. Una be a wonderful people, una be a God-fearing people. We there and for move forward. We thank una all for the wonderful things we wanna do. Today we just want to talk about this hate issue where they for around us, with the blacks, with the colored, with the we don't know that spirit of hate get for disappear from people. We don't know why people they overget spirit of hate, spirit of jealousy, spirit of unhappiness, spirit of a lot of different things and then for community where we don't even understand why people they feel they go to that extent for they do all those type of things. We don't understand why people they get to go to that extent for the one they talk about things where they don't know about. We don't understand why you get picking they don't for community they be so disrespectful. You just sometimes look they just jump and pass. I don't know why you even get for you call yourself a child or you call yourself Pekin or you call somebody a mother. Today you call some person your mommy. The next week you there for disrespect that person. So I don't know me why they born some Pekin, the why they grow up in that manner. It be so horrible. Say person will go help you today, person will go feed you the next minute you want chop that person. The next minute you want kill that person. Person will help you for even make your face be out there. The next minute you want become you want start turn against the person. It be so horrible. Some people they feel say they know God pass on other people there. But that is not the way God talks to me will do. We'll be so judgmental. We like what she do for the one judge people. But at the end of the day, no be thing that I can't forever can't tell una. I just want to tell una about this thing where they happen, this hate. Some video they will go one more and watch that video. We'll come back to watch another one again.
Many people don't realize that between Muslims and Christians, there is actually more that unites us than divides us. A lot more. We worship the same God, this Allah, the same God, the God of Abraham, the God of Moses, the God of Isaac, the God of David, the same God that we all worship. We all believe in the virgin birth of Jesus. As the two religions, we both believe that Jesus was born of the Virgin Mary. We revere Mary so much that she's the only female who is mentioned directly by name in the Quran. The only female. And you have a whole chapter in the Quran, Surah Al-Maryam, which is dedicated to the Virgin Mary. Indeed, there are more mentions of Mary in the Holy Quran than in the whole New Testament. The whole New Testament. We all believe in the miracles of Jesus Christ. We believe as Muslims, he talked when he was in the cradle. We believe the miracles he performed to give sight to the blind and so on. And as Muslims and Christians, we all believe that Jesus will come back before the day of judgment to defeat the false prophet or the Antichrist. We all share that common belief. But what is also more important is that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told all of us as Muslims that amongst all the faiths that we have, we as Muslims should be closest to the Christians. That is what he told us. That we as Muslims should be closest to the Christians because they are good people. So today, if you are a Muslim and you say you don't like Christians, it means you don't understand Islam. And if you are a Christian and you say you don't like Muslims, then you don't understand Christianity. There is more that unites us, the two religions, than divides us. There's so much more. But we allow people like the terrorists to hide under the cloak of religion to try to divide us. But we in Ghana, we are lucky. We are lucky we have people like Sheikh Dr. Osman Nur Sharbotu to continue teaching us the right way.
When I don't see the video, don't watch it. No. Now the video that I watch, when I see what that man they talk, with the Christian and Muslim problem, and I saw there among ourselves, mommy picking hate, picking sister hate, brother family hate, all this spirit of hate now for waiting. Nobody God that will come for can save them. You go there, I get my Muslim friend, and I be so happy with them. Would they get along? I get my Christian friend and too would they get along. You know me say because person and Muslim, me have a Christian will become enemy. So now the thing that the enemy is just too much. It is funny. I really look some of now. Sometimes I ask myself, say, when I go up now for which kind of house, when I go up for which kind of manner, when I go up for which kind of place, because when I not be day one at the struggle for do things, they someone will bring up community, and then people they want you will bring yourself to a level where you want to go down to a lower level. You want to go down to a lower level. People they want match you, should not over your head because you don't decide to say you want to bring yourself to their level. It be so horrible. I don't see many picking them for social media where you struggle. Say me you try for help there, but the next minute they want to turn against you. I don't understand why they think or the reason, or not because you bring yourself low, or not because you don't be a public figure, or not because you don't stand for the top things there. Then they too the one bring you to that level. It be so horrible. But well, I don't get plenty things about talking to that. One more I watch the other video.
Where are those who say that, you know what, you're supposed to distance yourself from the Jews and the Christians? That is actually not true. But rather, it's not got to do with the religion that you follow. It's got to do with the person. It's got to do with that person. If the person is not good, even if they're Muslim, you have to stay away from them. If there is a Muslim who is bad company, bad habits, turning you away from Allah, they have enmity that they've shown to you, it would be in the best of your interest to stay away from them. The same would apply if there was anyone else of any other faith. What is of relevance is how good they are, how much they respect you and you respect them. And this is why the Quran makes it very, very clear that those whom we prohibit you from getting very close to are those who have harmed you. They have come to fight you. They have driven you out of your homes and they have assisted others to harm you. You would be foolish if you befriended those. But as for those who fulfill your rights, they respect you. They have always maintained that mutual respect for them. We have not stopped you from befriending them. Not only that, even marrying them.
Okay, as we talk now, so when I don't see this other video, don't watch it. When I see what way they happen, peace, 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 peace. Everybody is preaching peace. But wait to be actually support. Why some people they be bitter? Why some people they get hate inside them? Why some people don't get happiness? Why all these things that they happen for our community? Why some people they just feel say they get for they know past on other people? Why all these problems? Why would you start for solve some problems? A person will come out from nowhere. You feel saying that you want to solve problem for people. Who? Why some people they be so disrespectful? Why when I go up for inside homes and when I go now for gutter, when I go for homes? Why when I go for be disrespectful for elderly people? Because people don't stand up for social media, so they talk for social media, and I don't make any man go do come and talk for any person. It be so horrible. You did know people from their character. And me, when I discover people like that, I just stay quiet and stay my way, stay me far away. Because I don't work so hard for build my name. I work so hard for put my name for the position where they today. And when I want be so humble for bring myself, belittle myself, for bring myself to a low level, and people will stand up for one, start to talk some kind, and it just feel a type. I just want peace media for community. I show this video now and we will learn. Make we learn. Cameroonians, learn. Remove bitterness from your body. Remove hatred from your body. Remove anything that is out of God from your body. And if you dey where you no get happiness, you no get peace, you get spirit of jealousy, me come out from you. Me come out from you. Everything I do, I did a write-up on social media to talk about new bloggers. And I did it because I mentioned every new blogger that exists. If I don't put your picture, but I still mention you because I say to all the positive bloggers that are out there. And everybody is a child to me. Everybody, I don't discriminate among people. I don't hate. I don't discriminate anybody. Everybody that is out there, all these young bloggers, I call them my children. Some of them I cannot give birth to them. Some of them we don't even have big age difference. But I call all mama picking, all una they out there, una remember picking, una they coach me, una need coach me, una still remember picking. I love una all so much. To me, all these things they stop. We ask all this, I will leave all una for now. If you never subscribe, now the button down for down before you leave this video today, make sure you subscribe, you share, you spread the news for your family, for everybody where they're around. Stay with them and for make peace and things must move on well for our community. Thank you so much. Au revoir.